Hi everybody, I am Zoz, and today I will show you the Sofirn SP36, which I got from Sofirn. Thank you for that. I only got the flashlight with the box and batteries, no other compensation received for the review, so I will tell you good or bad things about it. First, it uses 4 Samsung LH351D 5000 Kelvin and 90 CRI LEDs, which are one of my favorite LEDs because they got more power, better efficiency than Nichia or SST20 high CRI LEDs, and they also have nice tint and nice color renderization or color. They give nice colors. Okay, so let's see what's in the box and look more closely. The flashlight came in a cardboard box with 3 Sofirn branded batteries, 3000 mAh, button top, unprotected. Battery tube, no battery carrier in this setup, so they are in parallel. Battery tube has very grippy knurling, not slippery enough, not slippery, so it's good. Everything is aluminum, no stainless parts on this. This is also aluminum, not stainless steel. There is the 4 LED. Nice, well focused, nice reflector. Okay, one side is the button, other side is the USB-C charging port. You need to look carefully if you run it on turbo for a long time, because the pressure inside the flashlights can pop up this USB flap rubber thing. So if you run it on turbo for a longer period, make sure you press back this. Okay, let's see what other things in the box. You got the big Anduril user manual, English and English, so it's in English. It's really detailed. You got this Anduril diagram also. It is saying where it is saying somewhere. Yeah, here. It's saying 5600 lumens, but I measured 4400. And where is the candelas? They didn't talk about candela and throw. I think no. So if you are curious, mine making 30,800 candela, and USB-C charging cable. Oh, nothing extra. It's about 1 meter long. Let's put it away. It came in this and three or two. How many O-rings is? Two. Just tricked my eye. I don't want to talk much about the firmware because I already have a video about Anduril. Maybe there are a few differences now. Mostly in the switch LED or the aux LED, mode switching. Now it's logged with 4 clicks. Only one moon level. Some newer Anduril has 2-stage moon mode when it's logged. If you press once, you have a lower moon, and if you press twice, you have a higher moon, but I think this is only one level. And yes, some older Anduril has the button switch, right? If you want to change it for the unlock status, you need to lock and double press and hold this third press like this. But this time it doesn't changing anything. So this has the 7-click method for the unlocked switch lighting status changing. So this has, if you triple click, now it is off. Triple click again, it's in low. Triple click, it's in high. And it's in the blinky stuff. Yo, okay. Unlock with 4 clicks and press it 7 times. Now it's in high mode. Now it's in the blinky. Yes. So with the unlocked light, when off, you need to press 7 times to change how the switch light behave. That's how I like. At night it doesn't bother me when I'm sleeping and it's next to my bed. It's a good bedside light because it has big tail cap and it stands well. Just switch it on at night. You can start in moon, any level. So it's a good. I mainly use it as a bedside light, but I like this 3-cell size because some of the 4 battery soda can lights are too thick and not comfortable to hold, but this 3-cell is spot on. Oh, let's see some color things. And turn off this. As you can see, it gives back nice colors. If I don't count in the hotspot too much brightness. I like how the color rendering came out. It has a little PWM, but in turbo it's not. You can see skin color is okay. Let's see some flaws or I don't like. Maybe these fins have some really sharp edges, which not too comfortable, and the anodizing is not the strongest side of Sofirn lights. It's already some chipping off, but I'm using this almost 2 months now, so it had some use and abuse. The engraving is not perfect, but none of these affect the usage of the flashlight. You can turn it on in around 1000 or 1500 lumens level, and it can keep running for a long time. Now let's go outside and see some compare footage. I am back with that Sofirn SP36. I really like the beam shape, so it has a pretty tight hotspot and nice spill, so 30,000 candelas is more than enough for regular daily use, and I like it, and I'd recommend it to buy because it's not so expensive and you have the nice fancy Anduril firmware. This is my favorite firmware. It has USB-C charging. You can order it with batteries or without batteries. Without batteries, it's cheaper, but you need to use button top cells with it. Some people recommend when you need a button top to put on magnets on the positive sides, but no, not with this flashlight, because if you put on magnets and you twist the tube, the magnets will slip, run together, and they can easily cause a short circuit, and some batteries can be blown inside the flashlight, which is not good and not safe. So don't use magnets, use button top factory cells. And maybe I think that's all about this. And next time, what I can see on the shelf. Oh, next time, lumin top keychain light will come, the glow one, which is in my favorite keychain lights, maybe in my top 3 favorite keychain lights. So, and after that, lumin top FW1A Pro ODA 10. So now 3 lumin tops coming. If you like this, please subscribe. As usually, I see in the numbers, and 95% of my viewers are not subscribed. 20,000 viewers I have, but only 1,000 subscribed. It's just a click, and if you don't want notifications, don't turn on the bell icon, but I recommend that also, because you get notifications from new flashlights, new videos. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.